Hello, today we'll understand how to perform the order of operation with integers. So for the order of operation, we all follow BEDMAS. B stands for brackets, E is for exponents, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S is subtraction. So while doing the order of operation, we first have to solve any brackets, then the exponents, and out of division and multiplication, as they have the same priority, whatever comes first, while doing the calculations from left to right, we perform that operation first. And the same thing with addition and subtraction. So whatever comes first from left to right, we perform that operation first. Let us try out the order of operations and understand it with the help of some examples. So the first one we are taking is 4 plus 3 times by a -2. Over here, one operation is addition and the other operation is multiplication. So we have to perform this multiplication first. So this is going to be 4 plus 3 times -2 is a -6, and then 4 added to -6 will give us a -2. Let us take another question. So if it is -6 divided by 2 and added to 8, over here now we have to do the division first, and then -6 divided by 2 is a -3. That's because a negative and a positive when divided always gives you negative. The same rule is for multiplication also. And we've written down the result for that and now add it to 8. So -3 plus 8, they are opposite signs. So we are going to subtract them. 5, and the sign is the one which is on the bigger number. So 8 has a positive sign. So the answer is +5. Now let us look into another example involving a bracket. So now let us say it's 4 plus 3 multiplied by a -2. Now here we have to perform this addition first because it is inside the bracket. So 4 plus 3 gives us a 7 and multiplied by -2. So a positive multiplied by a negative will give us a negative integer, and 7 times 2 gives us a 14. Now, can you see the difference? These question number 1 and 3 were almost the same, except for the difference that here 4 plus 3 was not in a bracket, so we performed that operation in the last. And here 4 plus 3 is in the bracket, so we performed that operation first. The next question we are taking is 8 subtract 3 multiplied by 2 subtract 33, and this being divided by 11. So we know that the division and multiplication has to be performed first, but in whatever order it is, we'll perform them. So 8 will be just written the same way. Now -3 times 2 gives us a -6. And -33 divided by 11 gives us -3. Now, for addition and subtraction, whatever comes first while going from left to right, we do it in that sequence. 8 subtract 6 is a 2, and this is now subtract 3, and 2 subtract 3, it's going to be a -1. Now for this question, between multiplication and division, it is the same preference, but because multiplication comes first, so we'll do that operation first. So 3 times -2 is a -6, and that being divided by -3 and 9 being added. Now, -6 divided by -3 will give us a +2 and +9. So 9 plus 2 is now equal to 11. Now let us try a question with exponents. So in this question, we'll first do this operation as it is written in the bracket. So 6 minus 9 is a -3 squared divided by 3 and plus 1. Now we would do the square of -3. So square of -3 is -3 times -3, which gives us a 9. 9 divided by 3 plus 1. 9 divided by 3 now gives us a 3. And plus 1 is just equal to 4. We'll try out one last question with the nested bracket. So let us take 6 plus 3 times 2 minus 8 divided by 4. Now we can see there are 3 types of different brackets over here. So the first thing we'll do is solve the innermost bracket, which means this is going to give us 6 plus 3 times 2 minus 8 divided by 4 just gives us a 2 and the bracket closed. Now we can see that this is the inside bracket now which needs to be solved. So this is equal to 6 plus 3 times 2 subtract 2 is a 0. And now we need to solve the next bracket first. So we start with the innermost bracket and we keep moving outward. Now this is 6 plus 3 times 0 is a 0 and 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. I hope you understood the process. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.